Káàbọ̀ everyone. Welcome again to Learn Yoruba with me. Let's get into it. This is episode 16, weather, and we're going to learn about how to say weather vocabulary in Yoruba. Let's start. To say it's sunny, we say orun ro. Orun ro. Next, to say it's cloudy is awosama or kurukuru. Think of it as an onomatopoeia where it describes the fuzzy clouds. Next, to say it's raining, we say ojonro. Ojonro. So this is a bit tricky, but to say windy, we say afefenfe. Afefenfe. And last, to say it's snowing is yiyinro. Yiyinro. The most important thing though is to always practice. Try going outside or even looking out your window and describing the weather. Good luck! So till next time on Learn Yoruba with me, Odabo. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video next week.